We're going to look at the battery on a Fat Trike here. Jeremy's going to show us how to remove the battery. You've got the key, which you'll want to insert over here. The key has got three positions. Right now, you can see it's in the off but locked position. When it's locked, the pin in the back extends through that hole to lock it in place. Jeremy's going to show us the on position where you turn it one notch clockwise. Then you'll be able to turn the screen on the handlebars by pressing and holding the I button. You can turn it back clockwise to turn it off. And then if you want to remove the battery, you have to push in and turn it to the unlocked position. Then you can remove the key. And the next step will be to flip up the lever on the seat. That will give you access to pull the battery out. Then the battery slides out. You'll unplug the discharge cable, slide the battery out. When you're ready to put the battery back on, you got to get it on the track and slide it down. It slides right down. Then you can plug the discharge cable back in all the way. You can lock it in place by inserting the key and turning clockwise to locked and off, and then one more position clockwise to on. You leave the key in this position, put your handle down, just push the seat down and it clicks in place, and then you're all set.